Welcome! If you want to ensure your phone vibrates whenever you receive an incoming call on the X app, you're in the right place. Today, I'll guide you through the simple steps to enable Vibrate notifications for incoming calls on the X app on your Android device. Let's dive right in. First, start by opening your phone's main settings. This is usually an icon that looks like a gear. Once inside Settings, scroll down and tap on the section labeled Apps. This shows you a list of all the applications installed on your device. Next, find and tap on the X app from the list. This will open the app-specific settings where you can customize how this app behaves on your phone. Now, look for the Notifications option and tap on it. This will take you to the notification settings for the X app, letting you control what kind of alerts the app can send you. From here, you'll want to tap on Notification Categories. These categories break down the types of notifications the app can use, allowing you to manage each individually. Look for the category titled Incoming Calls and select it. This section controls how your phone alerts you when someone calls you through the X app. Finally, you will see a toggle switch labeled Vibrate. Switch this toggle on to enable vibration for incoming calls. Now, every time you receive a call via the X app, your phone will vibrate to get your attention, even if the sound is off or muted. That's all there is to it. By following these straightforward steps, you'll never miss an important call on the X app thanks to vibration alerts. Thanks for listening.